Hello, what's up guys? It's been a really long time since I last sat in front of the camera. So today I'm gonna show you guys a new cup set I got a few weeks ago. This, and this. I know you guys are expecting the new Hyeon Jong Choi Pro Series 2, but I haven't gotten them yet, so I have these only. I know these are pretty old, but I got them for free, so yeah, why not, right? Okay, I'm gonna stack them now. Okay, so the first set of cups are the 2016 stack up cups. Yep, it's pretty cool. It's like transparent and it says, I think it says 10th anniversary. I don't know, but yeah. Okay, so this is the set. Okay, so the next set is the Stack Up 2017 cups. It says 2017 here. Yeah, these cups were from last year. Oh my god. Pretty good. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys something cool. Hang on. Let me switch the camera. Okay, so in front of me, I have the 2013, 2008. I have the 2012, 2013, 2014, 2017, and the 2016 stack up cups. So yeah, these are the cups. These are the stack up collection that I got. I'm missing 2015 though. I don't know why I didn't get them, but I'll definitely get them soon. So yeah, comment down below if you have a full set like this too. Okay, so I'm gonna put this away. And yeah, this is my third set. So the third set is Pro Series. Okay, so yeah, the third set is the Hyeon Kim Pro Series 2. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching and subscribing. I've reached 4,000 subscribers recently and I'm really happy about that, so thank you all so much. Comment down below which design of the stack up cups that you guys love the most, and yeah, follow me on my social medias, links are down below. Leave a like and subscribe. Okay, bye.